Are you looking for customized auto wire harness solutions that can handle high-stress environments? Look no further. Our products cater to diverse needs, from car navigation systems to body control and hybrid battery applications. Our industrial wire harnesses are built to withstand rapid acceleration, deceleration, tension, compression, and torsion stress. For home appliances, we offer reliable wire harnesses for refrigerators, ovens, washing machines, and more. Trust our medical wire harnesses for critical applications in treatment, monitoring, lab, and rehabilitation equipment. Our production capacity reaches up to 500,000 wire harnesses and 1,500,000 connectors per month. We offer a wide range of connectors compatible with T/Amp, Molex, JST, Deutsch, FCI, Delphi, Bosch, and more. No matter the complexity, we guarantee 100% inspection before delivery for every product. Ready to experience the highest quality in customized auto wire harness solutions? Contact us today and find out how we can meet your exact requirements.